Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare baby spinach. First, rinse the leaves under cool running water to remove any dirt. Then, use a salad spinner to dry them completely. This step is crucial for preventing soggy dishes and ensuring your spinach is ready for cooking or for salads. Sautéing is a fast and delicious way to cook baby spinach. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the spinach and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until it wilts. Season with a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and a bit of garlic powder for extra flavor. Steaming is another excellent option for a lighter preparation. Place your baby spinach in a steamer basket over about 1 inch of boiling water. Cover and steam for only 1 to 2 minutes, just until the leaves are tender and wilted. Drain any excess water thoroughly before serving to maintain its fresh taste. Baby spinach is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it raw in salads with a light vinaigrette or cooked as a simple side dish. It's also fantastic mixed into scrambled eggs, added to pasta sauces, or incorporated into stir-fries. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice enhances its natural flavor beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.